welcome to Mrs. Riley's Maths videos. This is a series of videos of geometry constructions. I'm starting with the junior cert geometry constructions, but including, I hope at some stage, the leaving cert constructions. And at present I've got about 15 videos. This is the first one, so I'm planning to do about 15 videos showing these constructions. They'll each be very quick and hopefully they will be helpful to you as you try and work your way through this. Okay, a couple of things we need. You need a pencil, a sharp pencil, you need a ruler, you need a compass, and you need a protractor. And if you have a set square as well, it'll mean you can do some of the other bits and pieces as well. Anyway, so let's get started. The first one is the bisector of a given angle. So what I'm going to do, sorry Darth Vader, I'm going to move you over there. He's very black, you see, when the light's not on him. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an angle. It really doesn't matter what the angle is like. So while I'm drawing this, a bisector is something that cuts something else in two. Okay, so to bisect means to cut something in two. So what I'm going to do is I'm following the textbook in terms of their notation and so on. And generally it's good to have notation anyway. So what I'm going to do is call this point here 0, this point where the two lines meet 0. So draw an angle. Now don't forget, you can pause these videos at any point to get yourself ready and then restart them when you're ready. So I'm going to go a bit higher here. So draw an angle, doesn't matter what the angle is like. Then take your compass and set your compass to, I don't know what length that is. Let's see, that's about a length of 3 centimeters. It really doesn't matter what length you set your compass to. The main thing is your compass should stay steady at that length now for the whole of this. So you plant the point of your compass at one end, at the end where the two lines meet, and you use your compass. Now this is where it's going to be hard to see, but I'm going to try and do it. Use your compass to draw, see that, to draw a circle. Now you can actually draw a whole circle if you want to. This here is called an arc. So basically I've drawn an arc. And I've drawn an arc, and I'm going to mark this A and this B. Now because they're on a circle, and this is the center of the circle, A and B are both the same distance from O as each other. I'm going to keep this the same length. It doesn't matter actually if it keeps the same length, but it's handy to do so. Keep the same length. I'm going to draw an arc, again a bit of a circle here with the point at A. You can see that. Actually the point wasn't quite at A. So the point is at A, and I'm going to draw an arc. That's a better one, okay? And the point is at B, and I'm going to keep the compass the same distance. It's really important. Draw an arc from B as well. So we've got an arc from A with the point at A, an arc from B with the point at B, and if you notice, those two arcs cross, and where those cross, now remember it was the second line there, where those arcs cross, that's going to be my point that I'm going to draw my line through. My line goes through O and travels out to this point here, which is the same distance from this arm and from this arm. And that's why this is a bisected angle now. Now I could use a protractor to measure it, and you could use a protractor to check yours. But this is the bisector of the angle AOB. Remember, the angle is always the one at the center letter, so AOB. Okay, play that again if you need to.